welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make banana chocolate cake. Very delicious dessert recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 egg. Beat it well until it turns nice and fluffy. Now the egg is nicely done, so go ahead and add 1 mashed banana. Go with a nice and ripe banana for best taste. To this add half cup of sugar, quarter cup of melted unsalted butter, a tablespoon of milk and quarter teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix all the ingredients well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now to this add 1 cup of maida, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well and make sure the batter is lump free. Now all the ingredients are nicely mixed and the banana chocolate cake batter is now ready. I'm ready with a dusted loaf pan. Transfer the batter to the loaf tray. Spread it well. Tap it twice or thrice to make sure the air bubbles are released. Sprinkle some broken cashews on the top. Now it's all set ready to get baked. Heat a pan and place the loaf tray on it. Close with the lid and bake for 30 minutes in low flame. It's been 30 minutes now, so let's open and check. A banana chocolate cake is beautifully baked and perfectly done, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Then demold the cake, slice it and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and delicious dessert recipe, so do try this banana chocolate cake recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.